Welcome to my channel Inspire Info Power Hub by Mr. Waititu Sir. Please like, comment and subscribe. In this video, we shall be expanding our knowledge and understanding of homophones. Let's get started. What are homophones? These are two or more words with the same pronunciation but different meanings, origins, or spelling. We shall look at some examples of homophones. How many oranges can you see? My friends went to the supermarket and bought oranges. I too went to the supermarket and bought 2 oranges. Identify the homophones used in the sentence. The homophones are to, and to. Which name can you give to the group of people in the photograph? And what do you call the book shown? I believe you have come up with the words. Construct a sentence that has the 2 words. Let's see my sentence. Every choir member bought a 4-choir book. The homophones are choir and choir. On the photograph shown, a student was playing with a basketball. Construct a sentence describing what the student did with the ball. My sentence reads, he threw the ball through the ring. The homophones are through and through. The lady display did something with a balloon. Construct a sentence that has air and mention the color of the balloon. My sentence reads, she blew air into the blue balloon. The homophones are blue and blue. How many oranges are displayed on the screen? And how many oranges did the visitors eat? Complete this sentence using homophones. The homophones are 8 and 8. 8 and 8. Study the photograph and fill in the gaps using appropriate homophones. The number of dashes should be your cue. I can dash the sheep in the dash. The homophones are C and C. C and C. I would like you to read the sentence and identify the homophones. The homophones are prophet and profit. The prophet made a profit from his many enterprises. Read the sentence displayed and identify the homophones. The homophones are aunt and aunt. Aren't you visiting your aunt today? The plane took off to America. With that in mind, complete the sentence with the appropriate homophones. She caught a bird dash before she dashed out of the country. The homophones are flew and flew. She caught a bird flu before she flew out of the country. Thanks for watching.